In the heart of yet another very busy and what's already been a devastating hurricane season. We have a lot of areas to watch. We have a couple of named storms, and it looks like we're going to have yet another one of those. Let's head in to the lab right now. Our storm specialist, Mark Elliott. Mark, we know that advisories are going to start being issued by the top of the hour here from the Hurricane Center on Invest 96L.
Yeah, absolutely. We got the updates on Paulette and Renee first, the named storms that are already out there. Paulette still forecast to become a hurricane this weekend and head towards Bermuda, and so Bermuda needs to watch that carefully. But mainland U.S. interests, it's all about what we've been calling Invest 96L, an area of investigation that all the tropical modeling has been run on this, and we've been monitoring the kind of the short-term trends by using the satellite imagery. And basically, any moment now, the National Hurricane Center will press that button and allow more of those products to come through as advisories on that system near the Bahamas are starting off within the next couple of minutes. So whether they get here while I'm talking to you, or if our hurricane expert, Dr. Rick Knabb, then gets that for Weather Underground, stay here on the Weather Channel. You'll get a full cone, a forecast of wind strength. There may be some advisories put up on land, whether they're tropical storm watches or even warnings, even from a potential tropical cyclone as this heads into the Gulf. Let's look at the modeling for a moment here. This is the USGFS model. It heads towards Louisiana. The ensembles, the different versions, are skewed south of there, but all of these are reasonably weak. Those are not the only solutions. The European model is much stronger and comes in towards the Florida Panhandle. So basically, the modeling cone looks something like this from outside Houston to outside Tallahassee, which is too large, right? You want to have a better answer than that. It's just not there yet. The bottom line is that you have to pay attention because there could be real intense impacts if you get the stronger solution. This is the stronger solution as seen by the European model, which suggests maybe 1.5 feet of rain somewhere near Mobile Bay and then eastbound in towards the Florida Panhandle. That is a lot of rainfall. There would be wind with that. There would be ocean impacts as well. The USGFS model is much more kind of strung out and not as organized, and so not quite as much rain in any one location. Instead, it stretches out across much of the Gulf Coast states. All of that being said, because of the rains that could occur, look at the flood watches that have already come up. This is because of our Invest area, Invest 96L, from Cedar Key through Tampa Bay, almost all the way to Orlando along I-4, down through Cape Coral and Naples and across Alligator Alley. That's the potential for flooding just from the west coast side of Florida. We're not done there. We're looking at a potential flooding in southwest Florida through tonight into tomorrow morning, ramping up more so through the day tomorrow across the rest of Florida. Even a likely zone now showing up, and then we go towards the Panhandle after that.